You'll see I'm not taking too much care with the drying up, for the simple reason it's going to get dried a second time and really better than I can. But this gives me a chance to examine everything that I've washed and make sure that there are no marks that I can see that are visible on there. But now, if you'd like to join me for stage 2 of the washing process, you'll see what we're going to do next. Now, the second stage of the cleaning process is this. You want a really good dishwasher. Your dishwasher will get the things hotter than you can bear to touch. It will get them cleaner than you can manage. But you've got to make sure that it's loaded correctly and that everything can spin round top and bottom. Otherwise it won't get as clean as you need it to. So we test that, and we test that, and it's fine. Now obviously I can't get everything in here that I need to first time, so it's going to have to be run more than once, but it's worth doing. And you don't need to do the longest setting on it. 45 minutes will do. And we'll run that until it's ready, and then we'll do it again until we've got everything clean. When everything's clean, we go to stage 3. Yes, there's a stage 3. So you've seen the stages of washing up by hand and then dishwashing. We now come to the filtration and sterilisation phase. These filters have all been put in place. The jugs of course were sterilised beforehand. The water has run through twice now, from 1 through to jug 10, and at jug 10 we feel that the water is now fully purified as much as we can, but we still need to completely clean these bottles that we're going to keep the water in. So Harry Holton's sterilising powder, only the best, and a stainless steel funnel which has also been washed, sterilised. Half a teaspoon of this powder, probably even less than that will do. It'll do 120 gallons, one of these. So we put that in the funnel, and we run from jug 10 and fill this bottle up completely. One jug takes about the same amount of water as one bottle. These are I think 2 litre bottles. And once all this is in, we leave it so the sterilising powder can do its work. Nearly there. We want to fill these as much as we can. It's not quite full enough, that one, so we run a bit more water through from jug 9 into jug 10. And we'll fill that again from jug 8, jug 7 goes to 8, all the way back to 1, so that everything has been filtered by these jugs at least 10 times. Give that a few minutes. You see how quickly the water passes through the filter, and as soon as there's enough in there, we'll just top this up. There we go. Put the top on it. Leave that. You can get away with 15 minutes, it'll be sterilised, but I'm going to leave them 24 hours just to make sure. Then we're ready, once the bottles are emptied and have been dried, to fill them up with this purified filtered water. And once that water has gone in, that is the stuff we're going to use to make the tea.